Hello friends, myself Gayatri and today I explain you the electron transport system ETS cycle. Electron transport system, it is a chain of enzymes which is located in inner mitochondrial membrane and it is the main source of energy in aerobic pathway of energy generation. It is a unique process in which energy is released, trapped and conserved in the form of ATP. The mitochondria has the outer mitochondrial membrane, the inner mitochondrial membrane, and the space between these membranes is called inner membrane space. And inside we have the matrix of mitochondria. If we look at a close section of the mitochondria, we can see that the structure of electron transport chain. We see the outer mitochondrial membrane, inner mitochondrial membrane, and inner membrane space. The hydrogen removed from the various steps of glycolysis and Krebs cycle is accepted by NAD, FAD and FMN. This hydrogen split into protons means H plus ions and electrons E. The inner mitochondrial membrane contains the cytochromes. These cytochromes are arranged in sequence in the mitochondrial membrane. These cytochromes, the first cytochrome is named as NADH dehydrogenases complex, which involves the oxidation of NADH. The cytochrome second is named as succinate dehydrogenase, which involves the oxidation of FADH. The cytochrome third contains the cytochrome BC and complex, and the cytochrome fourth contains the cytochrome C and oxidase enzyme. Both can involve in transport of protons from matrix. This create protons gradient. The transport of cytochrome 4 to molecular O2 is called a terminal oxidation, and the release of molecule O2 reacts with protons means H plus ions called metabolic water. Diffusion of H plus ions from outer chamber of mitochondria, that is the intermediate space, through F0 part of oxysome. This membrane of H plus ions is coupled to catalyze the synthesis of ATP from ADP and IP. This process is known as chemiosmosis or oxidative phosphorylation. In a simple words, we can say that the process of formation of ATP during oxidation of reduced enzymes in ETS is called oxidative phosphorylation. In this process, two protons are required for the synthesis of one molecule of ATP. The inorganic phosphate combined with ADP